The DMAS rule is a mnemonic that helps remember the order of operations in arithmetic, ensuring that calculations are performed in a consistent manner. DMAS stands for division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. The rule dictates the order in which operations should be performed when evaluating an expression. It's important to note that division and multiplication should be performed from left to right as they appear in the expression, and addition and subtraction should also be performed from left to right as they appear. Here's how the DMAS rule works in practice. Division and multiplication. Perform these operations first, moving from left to right. If both operations appear in the same expression, solve them in the order they appear. Addition and subtraction. After completing division and multiplication, perform these operations, also moving from left to right. If both operations appear in the same expression, solve them in the order they appear. If you like my videos, please subscribe my channel and share video with your friends. Key points. Perform division and multiplication before addition and subtraction. When division and multiplication or addition and subtraction both present, solve them from left to right as they appear in the expression. Comparison with PEMDAS, DMAS. The DMAS rule is a simplified version of the more comprehensive PEMDAS, DMAS rule, PUB, parentheses, bracket C, O, exponents, orders, such as squares and square roots, MDLDM, multiplication and division left to right, AS, addition and subtraction left to right. Using DMAS effectively ensures that arithmetic calculations are performed accurately and consistently.